Hi, I'm Krystal from Little Miracles Blaxland, and today I'm going to show you how to make some super awesome slime. This slime is not only great because it's super sensory for the children, but it's also great because you can do it from as little as the angel's room because it's made with completely edible substances. So today we are going to use some psyllium husk, we're going to use a food dye of your choice, and also some water. So for this recipe I use 2 tablespoons of psyllium husk, but you can choose however many you would like, just as long as the water's the same. So 2 teaspoons of psyllium husk. Oops, let's get it out of there. Now into this, we then mix the 2 cups of water. So it's usually 1 tablespoon of psyllium husk to 1 cup of water. I usually find that boiling water is better because it mixes and turns much more slimier. So once it's mixed, you then pop it into the microwave for between 7 to 8 minutes, depending on how much you make. If it's a smaller amount, try 5 to 6 minutes, and usually I make 3 cups, which is usually about 10 minutes. So here is what it should look like when it comes out. Some super stretchy, jelly-like, oozy-goozy slime. Now, as you can see, it's a bit steamy. It is slightly hot once it comes out for a while, so we should usually wait about 20 minutes to use it. But the children absolutely like it. It is more of a jelly-like substance than usual, but the children love it. And like I said, even if the younger ones do eat it, it is completely fine because it is all natural. Awesome, so thank you so much for watching and enjoy your slime making.